AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to share a bit of a haul. A lot of this is from Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, and I've just gotten back home and I'm going through all of my stuff, so I'm really excited to share what all I have. My first order is from Villa Beautiful. I'm going to open these off screen really quick to spare you all of the crinkling and glares. Hang on. So here are the pens that I ordered. We've got 5 of these and I will go through them one by one in case you're keeping track of names. So first up we have Stay Focused. This was a Teresa Collins collaboration. Beautiful pinks with gold hardware. And then the second is called Extra Sparkly. This is the second of the Teresa Collins collaborations, and this one has the black crystals mixed with gold sequin stars and black barrel and gold hardware. And then this one is called Angelic, and it's the most beautiful pink. It's like a matte kind of pink color for the barrels, rose gold hardware, and then really beautiful crystals. The next, this was the Mistletoe Mystery Pen, so you didn't know what it looked like until you got it, or she also shared a photo in the group after it sold out. So we've got this deep green barrel, gold hardware, and then a really pretty crystal mix. And then the last of these pens is Winter Fresh, and it's this beautiful matte mint barrel with gold hardware, and then iridescent and mint sequins and crystals in there. You've got little tree sequins. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's see. They're really pretty though. So these are the 5 pens that I purchased from that order. And then I also purchased the Pretty Pack, which was a collaboration with Willa Wallaco. So I'll show you the 2 pens that came in that pack, and these you could only get in the pack at that time, I believe. So on top we have Flurries, and on bottom we have Gertie. So Flurries is this really pretty light pink, kind of a pale pink barrel, gold hardware, and then it's got the different snowflakes and crystals inside. And then we have Gertie with a white barrel, silver hardware, and stars mixed in with the crystal mix that has some blush and I think that's light blue. It may be a purple as well, I'm not sure. It looks kind of purpley. Anyways, beautiful pens. I love all of these. So excited to add these into my collection. And then the Pretty Pack also came with this keychain. Got the Villa Beautiful logo on the back. And this is, I believe this is, the character's name is Gertie from the Willa Wallaco shop, and then she's holding a little VB pin. And then you also get this mini sheet of stickers with some full boxes and a couple of deco stickers. Next up, I have an order from Simply Gilded, and I am in love with this card that she sent out. It's a little freebie card, but this pattern with the gold foil just checks all of my boxes. And it also came with a freebie set of seals. I'm not sure if this was a certain promotion, like the first however many orders, or if you spend a certain amount or what, but this was included. And then I picked up a sheet of the Dalmatian bow seals, just because, again, these are my favorite colors, and I love this pattern. And then I got the 2 skinny sets of the black and white Dalmatian with no foiling, no bows, but still super cute. And then I got this 15mm set. I'll be honest, I'm not the best at reading descriptions. I thought this was a stack of 3 teeny tiny ones, but it's actually just one larger one with the pattern spread out. It's got gold foiling with bows and hearts. And then I got this perforated pack of the skinny washies with the bows. Like, I pretty much just went all out on the Dalmatians, as you can tell. And I got this set of the black Dalmatian with the white spots and gold foil bows. And lastly, I got the black with the gold bows. I have black with silver and black with rose gold, or pinky gold, I'm not sure. But I know I didn't have just a plain black with gold, so really happy to add this to my collection as well. I am trying to focus on buying more of what I will actually use versus what's cute, and I just want to add to my washi wall, so that has been it's been a challenge, I'll be honest, whenever you see all the new releases and there's like a ton of items and you just know that it doesn't fit in your budget, nor will it be useful to your collection to have things that just sit there and lose their stickiness over time. So I'm trying to be more mindful of that, especially this year. I know though, with like these being my base colors for everything, I'm going to use the heck out of these. Next up is actually a giveaway that I won from SK Illustrations. Like, she has such pretty illustrations, so I just wanted to share what she sent. this was the tag that was just on the packaging. Like, how cute is that? It looks like a little ornament up here. It'd be cute to just like chop this top part off though and use it in my planner as a die cut. And this is what I won, this beautiful enamel pin of a washi girl. I mean, it's so tiny and cute. I love all the details. And she has these and I think a new blue color in her shop. Definitely check those out if you like to collect enamel pins. Next up, I have an order from CMU Draw. And this is the freebie card that came with my order, and I'm so glad. Like, I had this as a digital when she had that offered in the shop, but this is like so much better quality than anything I could have printed off myself. So I'm really happy to have this now. And then these two were also included in my order. I think they're maybe the Black Friday freebies. And then a hand-lettered die cut in gray. And I got my last final little soul or infinity stone for the gauntlet game, finally. And then a couple little Baymaxes. I know one, okay, this one says don't scratch me. So this one is just a cute one to keep. And this one will have like a code or something. Should I scratch it off now to see what I won? Okay, so I scratched it off screen just in case there was a code, which there is, so I don't want to share that, but I won $5 off an order. I'll just slide that under there. And then I got another sheet of the Return Library Book stickers. Then some of the Infinity Gauntlets. The little elves, which this is my fault for waiting to open my mail so long. Now it's past Christmas, but now I'm set up for next year. And Baymax, and these two are actually a purchase for my kid. I'm going to give those to him. He's gonna love those. And then we've got the date covers. They're abbreviated, but I think those are just so perfect for you know, just adding in wherever you need to. It'll fit the tiny planners. You can use it like layered on top of other stickers or banners or flags for the larger planners. And then I picked up 2 of the Squad Goals Avengers vinyl decals, one for me, one for my son. These are just so cute. And I do have a code. It's Angelica10, so you can save 10% off your order at CMU Draw. And all of my discount codes are down in the description below if you want to check those out. Next up, I have an order from Peach Palm. So this was a little freebie pack that I got for being one of the first 50 or 100 orders, something like that. So this beautiful Camco clip. And then a Frank Hearts-U sampler. And then the Peach Palm sampler. And then the Nikki +3 sampler. Such pretty foiling. And then I picked up 2 of the dashboards or journaling cards from her collections. I just thought these were so delicate and feminine and just really chic and pretty. And then I got this mini kit, I think, or is it called the B6 kit? It's one of those, I think. I love when shops have the option to get the smaller kits versus like the full 5, 6, 7 page kits. Because it makes it much easier when you're in a smaller planner. And I really hope the camera is picking up this foil because it is beautiful. So there's a first page and here's the second. And then these are the smaller deco sheets. And then this is for a separate kit. I just really wanted this sheet because how pretty is it? Like, I love all of the different details on there. So that is my order from Peach Palm. Next up, I have an order from Crafts by Towie, and I got a freebie pack from her as well, which included a Camco clip again. Like, I cannot get over how generous Kelly was with all of her beautiful dangles and clips, especially during the sale time when you know it's going to be like massive. So I just really wanted to take a second to shout her out for providing so many beautiful additions. And then I got this really cute sampler from Regina Laughs. And then this is the Crafts by Towie sampler. It is completely foiled with some really cute icons in there. I love those slippers and the pin, of course. And then for my order, I got 2 large sheets. Those are the foiled pins, and everything is in gold foil. She does have different options though. And then I got the Pup Life. Isn't that cute? And then for the smaller sheets, I'm not sure the names of all of these, so I think this is just a mixed icon sheet. There are 2 of those. And then this is the book sheet. This was a $2 Tuesday cleaning bottle sheet. Laptops. $2 Tuesday cameras. I thought those were adorable. And then face cream, because I'm making it a priority to get way better at skincare this year. And then the organized sheet. These are all, like, I love the tiny little bows on all of them. The foiling is great. Just such freaking cute illustrations. Next up, I have an order from my newest addiction. This is the freebie journaling card, which, I mean, hello, the colors are great, and it's very simple and still beautiful. And then I also got the freebie pack in her shop, which came with another Camco XOXO clip. How cute is that, with the black and gold bow? And then Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. Then this is the bow sampler from her shop. And that looks like a rose gold foil. And then a sampler from the Primrose Corner. And then this was the Black Friday freebie. It is foiled with gold. And then I got some date dots to go with all of the kits. The foiled kits come with the date dots already, but she also has date dots available in her shop if you want to buy them separately. So I have 3 kits to share. This first one is called Yule Ball. And I've already shared a photo of this on my Instagram, but like photos, videos just do not do this kit justice. It is so stunning. Like this whole Harry Potter winter wizard vibe. Amazing. And this is the second sheet. So I bought the PP Week sheet because at that point I didn't realize I was going to be switching to the Print Pression B6 hardbound, but it still works great because, I mean, it is a smaller planner as well. So these will be great for that, and still have plenty of room to write all of my, you know, functional daily items in there. And then this kit is called The Great Outdoors, which has me dying for a mountain adventure. I love hiking, and I don't live close enough to the mountains, y'all. I really need to schedule a vacation soon so I can specifically use this kit for it. Like, look at that foil. It's so good. And then this is the second page. And it has foil as well. Those washi strips are amazing. And the last kit from this order is Divination. I mean, come on. This is just so unique. It is, there are not words. Like, let's get in real close so you can check out all of the detailing that went into this kit. I cannot. This is the second page. Look at those washi strips. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna have to buy a second of like all of these. They are so good. And I do have a code for my newest addiction as well. That's Angelica15. So be sure to use that when you go and buy all these kits, which you definitely should. I mean, look at them. Amazing. Next up is an order I placed with Camco herself, and I also got the freebie bundle from her. So this is another black and gold bow dangle. So cute. And this is a die cut. I believe this is Crafts by Towie. And then I got a My Newest Addiction bow sampler, and that's gold foiled, and it's got like a really pretty ombre effect. And then this sampler from Peach Palm. And these are like the same details that are featured on those, where are they at? The journaling cards that I got from Peach Palm. So that's perfect. And then for my actual order, I got this really pretty gray bow, and it's got gold hardware. And I also got the bookmark. It's got the like really soft gray, I don't even know what to call this lovely strip of fabric here with a pink bow and then some really cute charms down at the bottom. I love this. Let's see if this would actually fit, right, how it fits into the B6. Yes, I know I haven't done anything to the front yet, but there is actual planning going on in there in places. I'm just still getting everything set up with that. So yeah, that does fit into the B6. And I could also use it for actual books too, which is great. Very versatile. I love it. And my last order is from the Giving Girl. Let's open this up. It's got some plastic in there, so let me take those out. I am very sad because during the shipping, the envelope got a little bit bruised up and ripped. I'm hoping I can still salvage a little bit of it to use. So for the freebies for this order, I got this really beautiful sampler sheet with gold foil, and then a foiled washi card, and a stack of sticky notes that are also foiled. And then she had some samplers included as well. This one is from Regina Laughs. And this one is from Sadie's Stickers, some foiled headers and an overlay. And then this was the scratch off, and I love that she included stickers on her scratch off. Mine has a code that I'm gonna keep covered up because I won 30% off my next order. Super generous. I'll cover that up and move those to the side. And these were also in my order, and I almost want to like message, I'm gonna have to message her and see if this was an accident, because these were all just included. So we've got these like foiled headers with a hollow. We've got some different foiled bow options going on here. Some of her doily hearts. And then what are these? It says bow period trackers. Okay, well they're also just teardrops, so they don't have to be for periods, right? They can be for anything. And then 4 sheets of headers. Like, this is so incredibly generous, unless she accidentally stuck somebody else's order in. So I'll have to update y'all on that, but these are beautiful. Like, I love the colors that she uses. Her foil is impeccable. Ugh, gorgeous. And then for my actual order, I just went like buck wild on her mini sheets that she had. She had them for like $1. $1, y'all. So cute. So I've got some trash cans, and I did pick up a lot in regular, just the gold foiling, and then the ones that I knew I'd need a lot of, I got them also in rose gold foiling, since those are my most used. And this one, I think I got it in all of the options, like rose gold. She has different background options to choose from, so lots and lots of Happy Mail stickers. And then I got some credit cards. Like, I love how tiny these are. These can just be slipped into any pocket to keep with you for planning on the go. Little Instagram cameras. And then I got some of the work scripts and clean scripts. This shop is just beautiful, wonderful, stunning, all of the adjectives. I mean, just so generous. Like, this makes my heart so full to see all of this. First off, the beautiful things that I ordered, and then all of the extras that were included as well. It's just, there are no words, y'all. I've been saying that a lot this video, but that is the consensus. I shop with some really, truly amazing shop owners. And that's why I continue to buy from them and continue to share all of my purchases and orders, because I really think that everybody should be shopping with them and checking out their shops whenever you get a chance. Definitely worth it. Well, that was super gushy, but also true. All of the links for all the shops in this video, as well as my discount codes, can be found in the description below. Now I've got to go get all of this stuff organized in my sticker albums and my washi wall. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.